Take a deep breath in for me. All the way out. And then head goes back and relax. Arms go up and over if you can. If they go numb, you bring them down and roll. Whew, I feel it.
Yeah, I feel it.
Oh yeah, I'm getting in there. I know you feel it. Jeez. Take a deep breath in. Here we go. That's gonna take an elbow. My little knuckles can't get through that. And yeah, moving on. I can't. My little knuckles are like, help. Nothing's on. All right, ready for the adjustment?
Yes.
It's pretty tight.
I can feel it.
Yeah, we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Right here, okay?
Good.
Ooh, that felt good.
It was like a zipper. Okay, other side. That was all the way down to C3. Chin back. I might not be able to get this side. Chin back for me. Look back. Yeah. I know I want it to go right here, like that. Yeah, relax. Think thoughts here. That's all it might go. Go ahead. What I want you to do for me is just to look back and squeeze your neck and hold. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Relax. I'm gonna mess up your hair. Sorry.
You're good. I should have put it up.
No, it's fine. Chin back for me though. Look back. Yep. Now relax, relax, relax. I got you. That's all it goes. That's all I'm gonna do right now. Okay. Phew. We'll get it later.
I feel like it doesn't crack on that side.
It cracked.
A little bit, but I feel like this side cracks more.
What happened was that so much moved on that side that this side just
Took it off.
there's no more sound left.
Yeah.
It's fine. Trust me, I'll check it again. Sometimes it needs to just drain.
Yeah.
Okay, it needs to drain. There are so many joints in the toes. We don't neglect them or leave one joint unturned. Look back for me. Just keep relax. Good. You can tell where you're placing your weight. Good. Ankles. Ooh, that's stuck. Not anymore. Good. Woo. Surprising me here. Ooh, that's loose. Okay, I'll be careful with that one. Good. Excellent. Reach overhead. Grab the table for me. Gotcha. Good. Good. All right. Relax. Arms down. Come on and sit up and face this way now. If you want to fix your hair or do whatever. I usually just tell people to let it down.
Let it down?
Yeah, just because the ponytail gets
I
trapped.
know, it's like behind
Like
your neck.
stuck. Yeah, so I usually just have everybody flip their hair over and press your elbow here. Push back.
Ooh.
There you go. Just a little bit of hyper flexibility here. Hang it. You got it. Relax, 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 relax. I got you. Elbow. There you go. Oh, loosey goosey there. There you go. That's it. Okay. Flip the hair over for me. We're gonna do the neck really quickly here. Yeah, she's really. You poor thing. I can't believe this. Aw. You're bruising like immediately.
Yeah, I have neck pain a lot, like when I wake up in the morning, so.
I believe you. Look at that. Oh. I mean, I'm just using the weight. You know, I'm just lightly brushing over it. It's all the way up into your skull. Lean back a little bit for me. There you go. That's my shoulder. Is this too much? Are you okay?
No, I'm okay.
It's just right in there. Turning to the side, sometimes behind the ear. I don't feel anything usually relaxed here. There's like a little spot right here that goes down the spine,
Yeah, I feel that.
right there. Try to release that. You okay?
Mm-hmm.
Does it stop firing? Is it still going down the spine?
I feel like it's still going.
Okay. How far does it go? Look at that. Are you okay?
Yeah.
That's all swollen. Yeah. Okay, let me have that. Okay. Did it stop?
Yeah, like on the lower part, on the top part, it hurt a little bit.
Like up in here. Okay, we haven't released these yet. Okay. Need a paper towel. I'm gonna adjust your ear really quickly, okay?
Okay.
Lean away from me. Lean your whole body away. There it
Oh my
is.
gosh.
I know. I'm sorry.
No, I felt good.
I'm gonna pinch the ear a little bit. I'm sorry. That's all it is. Okay. Phew. There you go. It's just congested, really congested. Okay, okay. Not as bad over here. Tell me what you feel over here. Here's the spinal point.
Yeah. There's not really anything.
This side moved really, really well, and it's starting to drain. I got you. I got you. There you go. Yeah, it's just right here again, that part. So take a deep breath in for me. All the way out. You needed that so badly.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. Yay. All right, again. Good. Excellent. Breath in. Hashtag not sponsored by Calvin Klein. People are like, oh, is that sponsored? No. Chiropractor video? Sponsored? They don't need no sponsors. Actually, that would be nice, but no, they don't. Look at that. Are you okay with me doing this?
Yeah, that side's a little stiff, but
Okay. Take a deep breath in. I'm gonna bounce. Okay, elbow right here. Is this okay? I'm gonna push. You tell me, okay? I'm gonna go for it. 3, 2, 1. Give you a break. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give you a break, and here we go. Okay, I'll let off. Give you a break.
it's popping on you.
My whole body's popping. My ankle, my knee. That's how we get all the cracks in here. It's really just Dr. Mondragon. Is that okay? This is probably your main issue. That and your neck. You doing okay with this?
Yes.
Whew. Breathe.
I feel like I'm holding my breath.
I'll work with you. It's pretty tight. Okay, I'm just gonna put this here. I'm gonna come down on this one. Elbow, okay? Take a deep breath in. Yep, there it goes. One more. Okay. Just top of the iliac crest here, okay? Do you have any low back pain?
I feel like it's more like mid back. I would say.
Nothing down here?
Yeah.
Then I'm just going to do the QL. Okay. This is the bottom piece of the lower quadrant here. I want is both hands behind your back now. Just kind of like that. We're done with this region. I'm going to go back to here where all the knots are, okay? It's getting hot. Your back.
Really?
Yeah, that's not. I'm gonna have to call it quits in a little bit. It's like almost tapping out on me. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay. There we go. Okay. Arms up and above. Grab your elbows. And more oil. Okay, arms down for me, arms down. Good. Is this okay?
Yeah.
I could even go more if I wanted. It'll.
But if anything, it can go. It's like it looks spooky anyway. So slippery scene.
As long as you're healthy, it goes away pretty quickly. You okay?
Yeah.
This one's a little, I can just tell it's like, ooh, a little sore, huh?
Yeah.
Right there. Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna stop there. You can have your arm down if you want. Or lower this down, lower this, relax that. There you go. Just this middle section. You have my pink phone. You can take a picture of it for her. I didn't pull all of it through, okay? I just did a little bit.
Okay.
I'll show you what I did. Now, you have to keep in mind that the bright red goes away in 30 minutes, okay? It'll be gone.
Okay.
But the dark red, that's what takes a little longer. So it's not bad.
Well, it's not too bad.
I didn't really
Yeah.
let you have it, okay? If anything, it is, like you said, more prominent on this left-hand side.
Yeah, and then that area right here.
That's your mid. So the part that you have the biggest problem is right here.
Okay.
It's right here. It's so stiff. And I would say that this is just moving around too much.
Okay.
We gotta work right here. I'll show you. It's a simple exercise and I can get rid of that pretty quickly.
Okay.
Right here. So head goes back for me. Back. There it goes almost a little bit. It's there it is. And the other side. Okay. And then head back for me. Head back. Like look back. Lean back. Think back. Yep. There it goes. Yeah. Oh, sorry. That's a sore one.
That's not good.
Ooh, all right, scoot this way toward me. Yeah, perfect, right there. This is the pubic symphysis. Okay, so you're gonna bend both your knees. There's a third joint on the pelvis right here.
Okay.
Bend both of your knees. Press out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Go. And then you're gonna squeeze my hands and squeeze. More.
Ooh.
There it goes. 1, 2.
I
Perfect.
didn't even know that was possible.
Oh, there's lots of things that are possible in here. Oh, it feels good. It feels nice. I don't even think it's gonna. There it goes a little bit.
Ooh, there you go.
Okay, just lay there. Don't move. Take a couple of breaths. Let that drain. Ooh. Good. No, there's not too much here.
Wait, so what is that?
You
'Cause I
feel
can
it
see-
though, right?
Yeah. So it's like
it's just to relieve tension.
Okay.
So there's a pocket of fluid. It just feels swollen, like
Yeah.
your whole cranium,
Scalp.
yeah, your scalp. Like I don't know how painful that was when I was scraping it.
Yeah.
It might have been really sensitive.
Yeah. Just a little bit.
So this is just it just feels good. Like if
Yeah.
it needs to go, it'll go. And nobody try this at home. You were like, and slowly they release their hand from there.
I was just about to say, like, are you able to do this home? But
So they say that there's a risk that they're like, if you really yank hard, you could rip the scalp from the bone,
Oh wow.
and then you'll bleed underneath, and you don't want that.
Okay.
Okay, but gentle tugging and relief of pressure, it ain't gonna do anything. Okay, here we go again. If you're healthy, I always say this, like, don't do it at home, guys. Duh. I would know when if it's not healthy. Okay, like it has a certain feeling.
Yeah.
Like oh, don't pull it. Okay. It's hard to be objective about yourself. But see that? And I'm kind of like wiggling it. I'm wiggling the scalp around. That's the trick, is that I don't really teach anybody this, but I take the hair like this, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm wiggling it. And I've got my hand here. Does that make sense? And then
Yeah.
I'll take it here. I don't feel anything stuck on you. You're okay.
Yeah.
All right. What it is, though, I have to put the back, and they call it a butt pop, like against your back. It's like a backpack.
Okay.
Like I'm gonna like lift you up.
Okay.
So I'm like,
Ooh.
nice.
That's cool.
Okay, here we go again. One more time. Down. Here we go. One left. Very good. Relax. Now you're just gonna sit on the floor. And then head goes back and relax. Arms go up and over if you can. If they go numb, you bring them down.
Okay.
Okay, is this okay?
Yeah.
Okay. And roll. Alright, so come over on your stomach, like just roll over, and then you're gonna push yourself up. Save all that stuff that you just did, okay? I don't want you to mess it up. There you go. How do you feel?
I feel like
It's so awkward.
I feel great.
Not. No, Dr. Mondra, I got a whole stiff. Go on and stand up. Yeah, push up. There you go. Now just check your neck. Yeah, like just in your shoulder. How does this right here feel?
Feels a lot better.
Okay. It's gonna feel hot
Yeah.
for
A
maybe
little
an
bit.
hour, and then it
Okay.
should go away. All right.
I know you said move around, so I'm going to work anyways, so I'll be
Yeah,
on my
I mean,
feet.
no real heavy. Like I said, just don't do anything that you're not used to.
Okay.
Everything that you're used to, you're fine. Go. But it's like new stuff.
Yeah.
Like if you're not used to it, your body's gonna be like, what is she doing to me? She just mashed me to a pulp, and now she's asking me to do something different. You're gonna be sore, okay?
Yeah.
All right.
It feels good.